Hello guys, welcome to my education platform. As you know that we discussing on basic computer knowledge, and after completing basic knowledge we will move on advanced topic. So let's start. So first of all, my topic is memory. There are two types of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Further, we are divided into part: primary memory. Firstly, RAM, and secondly, ROM. Further, second memory: floppy disk. Inside of secondary memory, many disks are involved, like as floppy disk, magnetic memory, DVD, hard disk, solid state drives, and also involve pen drive, TRIVs drives, SD cards. RAM, also known as temporary memory, and also known as volatile memory. Inside of RAM we have some memory. First is static and second is dynamic. RAM of as M, ROM, E, P, ROM, E, P, ROM, ROM, flash. Some other memory also known as cache, and it is also known as secondary memory, also known as luxury memory. The memory is a fast memory.